What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we going to check on Meech. We got to scramble. Got to see what Jesse at, man. I ain't checked on it in about 3-4 days, man. I don't know what they done did or what how far they done got in there. And I got to take that fluid over there too, because said they need this. Y'all know, man. I got a bunch of stuff going on at one time, man, like a whole lot of stuff, man. So, you know, I'm trying to make it do what it do. So we're gonna take this fluid by there, see where they at with Meech, and I got to have those dry shell measurements today. Otherwise it ain't gonna be looking good on making the car show, man. I got everything registered, so running a little behind schedule with stuff, but you know, it happens. Hopefully everything work out for the best and all that. And I think Cuzzo's supposed to be stopping by too, so hopefully I make it back before he do. But I think he coming later, so that's why I'm finna go ahead and take the drive and get over there. So yeah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all on when I get over there. Hopefully we let y'all see something, and y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in, so as y'all can see, they're down here rolling with it, man. Got the old rear end out of Meech. Said it for sale, man. Might be end up going, but like I said, 1400. Y'all see it is officially out. Me and wife will come grab it today, so I have it back at the house. We'll be at the house. At the time y'all looking at it, it's already at the house, man. I'm gonna clean it up. Y'all see it just got a little dirty, but y'all know everything pretty much new. Brakes, brakes, drums, all that new. 3-inch stud, Moser stud, Moser 4 steel axles, 30 spline, 1350 pinion, your upgrade, Moser aluminum rear end cover. We got True Track carrier, Richmond 373, everything, man, ready to roll. So y'all see this where they at with it. That's where they at, man. We got that out. So, yeah, man, we rolling with it. Soon, man. We back rolling and going. So, yeah, that's where we at with everything. So, I'm going to turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, checking in. Back from Lawless. Y'all seen Meech again on the construction. Cuzzo pulled up. We just got finished shooting some skit, boy. Y'all got to see it. Y'all see it fit. Y'all get a sneak peek, but they might be done dropped by the time y'all see this. But I got to take this. I got the stall sold, man. I got to take this to my man Thomas, aka Stolen Nova. So we real busy today. And then I got to go get the rear end first. So we had to go get the rear end. Me and wife finna go grab that, and then I gotta go meet him to drop the stall converter, and then I gotta get back and holler at y'all about some more stuff. So we finna do all that, get on the move, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, me and wife just got back from meeting up with my guy Thomas. We got Meech rear end picked up, and y'all about to see WSW. Now I'm gonna help her take it off, but we gonna shoot some reels with it right quick, cause y'all know how she get down. Wifey already Be on go. Be on go for stuff. It come in handy. I can't lie. It come in handy. I'm glad she work out and stuff. Cause I've been trying to take it easy. Like, y'all know, man. Y'all done seen me plenty of times. I done grabbed this rig by myself, loaded it up multiple times. I grab it and just pick it up. Cause I deadlift way more than this, man. I can military prep more than this. But even though I can grab it, I'm just respecting it right now. I know my injury not 100% healed. So I'm just respecting it, man. So other than that, I grab the joke by myself. Cause I can do it faster. I just grab it off, this and that. But stuff like this, man, that sit on the ground where it requires me to bend over. Like I have to bend kind of hard to grab this and squat and grab this due to how it made. I mean, wifey been getting stuff like this. She been grabbing this stuff, but that's why I said it come in handy, man. It come in handy being in shape, but we finna get this rig up off here. Let's leave that and then get everything put in there. And I got a bunch of potential buyers, so if you want it, first come, first serve, man, come and get it. But we finna get this thing loaded. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, you can take, if it slide out, you pull the drum out. The drum heavy too, you can pull it out. See, yeah. Oh, you're gonna be hard drum. Heard it will come out. That's a lot of the weight right there. Yeah. Yeah. Trying to get most of it off, man. My back a lot. Come on, Smoke. Right here first. All right, y'all. See, wifey grab the transmission. We got the I just left the rig up, man. So she came to grab my end. We tilted it in. She got that beside that one. Beside that one, yeah. I'm glad she got her work clothes on. Not dirtying up the other stuff. Yeah, right there, cause they're going back in, y'all, which y'all will see that, or y'all have saw that on the other vlog. I'm probably gonna drop that vlog first. So we finna finish straightening it up and then turn y'all back on. All right, so we wearing the box every end to get a weight on it for y'all. So as y'all can see, one corner is 93, other corner 91, and you know, you got parking brake stuff on one side. They probably would account for that. But the pumpkin not getting an accurate weight, cause it's saying 12 pounds, and we definitely know that ain't 12 pounds. And it's because these got it off the ground. So 91 and 93, which is 184. So now we're gonna remove these and then weigh the pumpkin. We're gonna get the weight on the pumpkin, and then we're gonna tell y'all what the total weight is. All right, y'all, so look, check this out. Now, we flipped it so it'll sit flush. Now it's completely just all pumpkin. The sides off the ground too, and yes, now, see, now it's more accurate to me. The sides are not touching. It's pure weight of the pumpkin. And look how much it say. It say 199 pounds. So, I think that's an accurate weight of the pumpkin. Now the ends right here, I don't know if they were accurate. I don't know if the ends were accurate. Cause those ends, I don't know. But that pumpkin, I think they're accurate. It's pretty heavy, but it say 199, right under 200. So we're gonna get another end weight with the axles. I mean with the drums on, then we're gonna check back in. All right, y'all, we checking in. So this what we looking like. This thing look pretty good on this. Thing looking pretty good, man. Y'all see I bought the brake line kit upgrade and all of that. I paid for all the extras and everything. So we gotta get the drive shaft measurement, man, so I can hopefully make the show But if not, then we'll catch next year. But we got it in there, man. Had to bring the brackets back off the 8.5. I gotta give y'all the rundown, man. This a couple days later. Cause I've been busy, and the 8.5 already sold, man. Had to drop it out this morning, so I had to tell y'all that. But I gotta tell y'all about all that. But it was weird. See, we got the new sliding and drill rollers. These the calipers I got, but I gotta I'm gonna have to change the brake line. And I paid for the emergency brake cable, upgrade and all that, but it's some more stuff I need to make it work. So I'm gonna have to come back, bring it back. I gotta get a brake line for this. So at the time, if you do come to the show and I have it out there, probably won't see the Wildwood calipers on there, because I have to get, I think he said, a different brake line, which I'm probably gonna run braided brake line and everything else, since I gotta change the brake hose. Yeah. So I probably have my factory calipers on there, but that's where we at. Then we got to do the fasteners in the hood to keep the hood from wanting to fly up. But yeah, man, that's where we at. We rolling with it. But I got the roll, cause I got a lot more other stuff going on too. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, I'm back. I'm back from Lawless. Like I said, I'm about to get the cars, well, R&B washed up. And I got to check the fuse, man. I noticed a couple days ago, my headlight's not coming on, and my backlight in the cluster not coming on. So, I'm hoping it's just a fuse. And that get it. But if it's not, it's probably the headlight switch, which not no big issue. I will have it situated and fixed. But right now I'm about to wash the car, and then I got some more waterless car wash coming, cause you know I ain't gonna be able to, not gonna have access to no water. I ain't gonna have time to wash them. It's raining Friday, and I ain't gonna have time to be washing them, cause they gonna have to all be transported. But I'm finna go ahead and wash this up, and I'm gonna just do 2 today and then 2 tomorrow. But I'm gonna wash this up and immediately throw the cover over it. Then I'm gonna wash up Dolo, then go and cover it back up. And you know, they might get a little dust on them. And when they do, I just have the waterless car wash out there, and I wipe them down when we park them in downtown and stuff. And I think I'm gonna try to bust a power move and change the front rotors out and calipers, cause I never did this car. And that's the thing, like it literally, this car got the old rusty calipers on and stuff. Or better yet, I think I changed the rotors. I never changed the calipers. Yeah, I did. I changed the rotors, not the calipers. So I might go ahead and do a caliper job on here, or get my friend Rick over here, or I might go ahead and do it tomorrow morning myself, or whatever. Go ahead and do a caliper job, and then it'll have some good calipers. Go ahead and paint them up. It'll have some good calipers, whether they factory, even though if they factory right now. But I am gonna put wildwood calipers on them. I like dual piston calipers. And yeah. But I'm finna get this thing washed up. Gonna move it. Then we're gonna get Dolo washed up. Then I'm gonna turn it back on. See, R&B all done. Washed up. I just got finished with Dolo. It's been a busy day. And now me and wife gotta do our second workout for the day. We having to do doubles to make sure we don't miss a workout, because the car show. You don't grind, you don't shine, man. You don't work, you don't eat. So what it is, so I'm gonna wash these 2. They'll be ready, and we're gonna start transporting tomorrow. And tomorrow morning, after we finish working out, I'm gonna wash grandma down on brown coat and wife car. And Meech ain't gonna make it. I can tell y'all now, Meech is not gonna make it, cause I ain't make the deadline. So Meech will not be at the show. This is not a trick this time. Meech won't be at the show, man. So I'm gonna tell him to go ahead and finish everything, cause like I said, I only have 1 day for them to cut the dry shaft. 9 times out of 10, that place is not gonna do that in 1 day. So I'm not going to make it. Girl, this thing drip in my car too. But anyway, yeah, man, they're gonna wrap it up. So y'all seen the update with Meech. Y'all see it's in the works though. I'm thinking next week it should be done, cause I got a few more pieces I'm gonna have to pick up at this point. I have to pick up some brake line adapters, I think. And I get to get a brake hose too, which I told y'all for the caliper. So we'll have that thing ready soon, man, and all of that. But I'm finna put this thing up for wifey come back. She in her car, driving it for the first time with the new converter. I bet she loving it. I set the rev limiter and all that for. I told y'all the other vlog I had to set the rev limiter, which I done that. So she good to go. And tomorrow we'll be getting the transmission back to DJ. Since I gotta meet somebody, cause they buying the mufflers. They buying the 50 series mufflers off of R&B. And the rear end sold. Like I said, I sold the rear end this morning. Literally sat one day. I had it took out one day. It was in the garage for one day, and it's gone. I knew it gonna get gone quick. Rear end sold. The 50 series mufflers sold. So I got two 40 series, two sets of 40 series Flowmasters. The dual plane intake sold, and the 4,000 stall converters, the nitro stall converter, I had it sold. So now I got the TCI 3600 that's like brand new. I want $550 for it. It's like brand new. Y'all know I put it in Dolo and took it out within a week. So yeah, man, that's it. They're gonna do it for this vlog, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Meech coming. We're gonna be at the car show. I'm gonna have, well, 5 of them gonna be there now. Everything except Meech. Cause we ain't gonna make it. But Dolo, Brown Coat, Grandma Nana, R&B, all of them be there, man. So they're gonna wrap it up. I appreciate time. I'll catch y'all later, BCG. We out.